Hi guys, we have this platform known as Medfone, which allows patients to consult doctors online for a dedicated end-to-end consultation from the comfort of their home or office. I am Dr. Anil from the Medfone team, and I shall now walk you through the process of patient registration in this video. Please download the Medfone app from the Google Play Store and install it. Click to open the Medfone app, and now you are on the login page. In this green bar, you can find where login in the green login bar you can find this plus sign, and this plus sign, you can click on this plus sign and then it will throw a message stating that you want to register as a patient or a doctor. You can select I am a patient. Alternatively, you can also use this Google login or the Facebook login. So this Google login or Facebook login will also work in the similar way. So I'm clicking on this plus sign as of now. So it is giving me this message whether I'm a patient or a doctor. I'm clicking on the patient. Now I'm taken to the patient registration. I'm on the page of demographic information. Now let me first upload my profile picture. So I click on this circle and I'm taken to a page where I can select any of my photographs, as you can select from the camera photos, from the WhatsApp photos, or whatever else you would want. So I'm clicking on this photograph and now my profile photo is ready. Then there are certain other informations like your full name, father's name, date of birth, gender, etc. So let's go and start filling that. So I'm just making some short entries here, but we expect you to give proper information. In date of birth, click on this red dot here. The red dot will open a calendar, which is month, year, and date calendar, which will be different from device to device. This is a calendar on my device. Your device calendar could be different, but let me show you on this. I click on the year. So now I can scroll up and down to select my birth year. So that is what I'm doing at the moment. Yes, now I have selected my birth year. Now I can scroll the month calendar up and down to select my date of birth and the month. Selected that. I click OK. So I'm done with this. Then I have to select gender and blood group. Remember, whenever you see this green square here, you should always click on the green screen because it will open another selection criteria out of which you can do the easy selection. So I'm done with this. So I'm moving on to the next page. Now this is identification page wherein I have to give my few identification and other details. So in identification, we have this PAN, Aadhaar, passport number, and voter ID number. You can choose to select any one. So I have chosen here my Aadhaar card because I know the number. Okay. So now let me go to email ID. So let me put my email ID. I have been doing this all along, so I'm not too sure whether this email ID will be taken, because if I've entered it earlier, then this ID may not be taken. I may have to re-enter it again. So again, I'm just putting small values here. You make sure you enter the proper values. Now it's the pin code area. So it's your residential area. Please type the appropriate pin code. Then again, as I said, click on this green square. It will take you to pin code data, the area where you have entered your pin code pertaining to that. So if you don't see the absolute correct detail of your area, you could select a nearby area. That's fine. Let's move on to the next page. Now, yes, my ID has been taken. Now it's referred by. So if you have a referral code, you can enter a referral code. Otherwise, you can leave it blank. Now we are on this password. So this password is basically specific to Medfone. So you need to create a password which is specific to this particular site, and you have to again reconfirm the password. Done that. Remember, the password would have certain characteristics, like you need to have one capital letter, then one small letter, then there's a special character, then there are numericals, and you have to make it to total minimum 8. Now you need to click on this accept terms and conditions and click submit. After this, we will get an OTP. Now, this is where I need to enter the OTP. So we shall wait for the OTP. Normally, the OTP will get delivered quickly, and you will get a notification in the application, in your messenger service, in your email as well. So, well, we have this notification here. So let me open the notification in my messenger. The code is 621477. So let me put that 62144. Sorry, it is 477. So I'm done with this. So let me click submit. And once you click submit, now you're taken to this appointment page. So that means that you are already registered. You can see this. Medfone has given you the message. Thank you for registering as a patient. Now there is a messenger service also, which is showing me a message. Thank you very much for registering as on the Medfone platform. Thank you very much.